Hi, I'm Shashprabha Pereira. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting and insightful video lined up for you. We'll be exploring 10 popular proverbs and their meanings. Proverbs are those timeless pieces of wisdom that have been passed down through generations, offering us valuable life lessons. They are like little nuggets of truth that we can apply to our daily lives. So, without further delay, let's dive into our first proverb. Our first proverb is birds of a feather flock together. This saying means that people with common characteristics or interests tend to gravitate towards each other. It's like Mother Nature's way of forming friendship and connections. For example, when Sarah and John, who share a love for hiking and the outdoors, met on their first nature expedition, they instantly became friends. This proves the age-old wisdom that birds of a feather flock together. Next up, we have out of sight, out of mind. This proverb means that when something or someone is not visible or present in our daily lives, we tend to forget about it or them. For an example, just like when I moved to a new city for my job, my old hobbies became out of sight and out of mind. I rarely find time for them anymore. Now let's explore the saying, a picture is worth than 1,000 words. This proverb emphasizes that a single image can convey a complex idea or message more effectively and efficiently than a lengthy description. Imagine a picture of the breathtaking sunset over the ocean. Isn't it worth than 1,000 words of description, as it captures the moment and the emotions so perfectly? Moving on to two heads are better than one. This proverb suggests that when two people collaborate or work together, they are likely to come up with better ideas, solutions, or decisions than if they were working alone. Teamwork can be incredibly powerful. When faced with a complex problem, collaboration and brainstorming with a colleague often prove that two heads are better than one. Look before you leap is our next proverb. It advises us to carefully consider the potential consequences or risks of an action before taking a hasty or impulsive step. For an instance, before investing all your savings in an enticing business opportunity, it's essential to remember the wise advice: look before you leap and conduct through research. Our sixth proverb is all good things come to an end. This saying reminds us that enjoyable or pleasant experiences eventually conclude or finish. After a fantastic vacation filled with unforgettable moments, it was time to pack our bags and return home. This reminds us that all good things come to an end. Actions speak louder than words. This proverb emphasizes that what people do carry more weight and significance than what they say. Actions are often a more reliable indicator of one's true intentions and character. When it comes to leadership, the ability to inspire a team through one's actions, not just words, is a prime example of how actions speak louder than words. Make hay when the sun shines, advises taking advantage of a favorable or opportune situation when it presents. Just like the farmers who, knowing that the weather forecast predicted rain for the weekend, decided to make hay when the sun shines by working tirelessly to harvest their crops under the clear sunny sky. The ninth proverb on our list is, "A stitch in time saves nine." This means that taking a small timely action to address a problem or an issue can prevent it from becoming a larger, more serious problem that would require more effort and resources to fix later. Like repairing the small hole in the roof before the rain came, it was like a stitch in time that saved us from a much larger and costly repair job we would have needed if we had delayed. And finally, our last proverb is, "Better late than never." This phrase suggests that it is better for something to be delayed or done later than not at all. It's a reminder that it's never too late to pursue your dreams or take actions. For an example, even though I didn't start learning to play the piano until my late 30s, I've discovered a deep passion for music, proving that it is better late than never to achieve your dreams. We've just scratched the surface of the profound wisdom enclosed in these popular proverbs. From seeing the power of shared qualities in birds of a feather flock together to understanding the significance of thoughtful decision making in "look before you leap," these timeless sayings offer valuable life lessons for us all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for joining us today and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.